Welcome back. Today we are going to rebuild the exact equation of a straight line using just its slope and a single coordinate footprint it left behind. Look at this WASSCE 2026 question. A line passes through the point -9, 10. That is our coordinate footprint. We also know it has a gradient of 1/3. We can organize this information immediately. The ordered pair gives us an x-coordinate of -9, which we will designate as x1, and a y-coordinate of 10, which becomes y1. The gradient is represented mathematically by the letter m. Because we have one exact point and the slope, we use the point-slope formula. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. The plain x and y variables remain as letters to form the final structure of our equation. With these three exact values correctly identified and extracted from the text, building the final equation is simply a matter of strict systematic substitution. We plug our numbers into the formula structure. We replace y1 with 10, m with 1/3, and x1 with -9. Stop here. This is a common exam friction point. Students see both minus signs and frequently drop one entirely. Mathematically, subtracting a negative number is exactly like removing a debt, which adds value. Therefore, the double negative becomes a positive. Our formula now correctly reads y minus 10 equals 1/3 times x plus 9. Correctly navigating this specific sign change trap is often the deciding factor in whether a student earns full marks on this question. Now is a great time to pause the video. Try actively expanding the bracket and isolating y on your own before we solve it together. We distribute the fraction to get x/3 plus 3. To isolate y, add 10 to both sides to maintain balance. 3 plus 10 is 13. Our final equation, y equals x/3 plus 13, matches option C perfectly. Executing these algebraic steps guarantees you have the right answer, entirely removing the need to guess. In a multiple-choice exam, you can actually prove your own answer is correct. If we plug the original x value, -9, back into our derived equation, it must output our original y value. Let's run the numbers. -9 divided by 3 is -3. -3 plus 13 equals 10. That matches our starting y-coordinate exactly. We can also dismiss the wrong options rapidly. In any equation structured as y equals mx plus c, the coefficient of x is the gradient. Options A, B, and D give us gradients of 9, 13, and -1/3. None of those match the positive 1/3 stated in the question. Knowing how to independently check your work is just as powerful an exam tool as knowing the formula in the first place. To summarize our core strategy, write the formula, substitute your numbers carefully, expand the brackets, and isolate y. Let's test this with a quick quiz. Find the equation of a line crossing through 3, 5 with a gradient of 2. The correct answer is y equals 2x minus 1. Quick quiz 2. Verify if the point 6, 5 lies on the line y equals x/3 plus 3. Plug 6 in for x. 6 divided by 3 is 2, plus 3 is 5. Yes, it does. To get more step-by-step explanations for WAEC, JAM, and NICO subjects, rush over to QandAHelp.com and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Keep working through these steps. Consistent, methodical practice is how you build unbreakable exam confidence.